Hi, my name is Dr. David Kulla. Do you have knee pain when you go upstairs? If so, that's because your hamstring muscle is weak. That's the muscle behind the thigh. And I've given or mapped out 7 of my favorite exercises to fix the weak hamstring and pain in the knee when going upstairs. Thanks for tuning in, and if you've had any help from these exercises, please, in a couple of weeks after trying these exercises a couple of times a week, make sure to comment below and let us know how you're doing. Thanks for tuning in.
Lie on your back and bend one leg in at a time, keeping your feet on the floor, and maintain your legs at hips width apart. Move up into the bridge position by lifting your hips upwards until you have a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Holding this position, raise the balls of both feet up off the floor. Hold, and then lower. Repeat the movement, ensuring you do not allow your hips to drop or your body to twist. Lie on your front with a resistance band tied securely around both ankles. Keeping your unaffected leg straight, bend your affected knee, pulling against the resistance of the band. Take your heels steadily in towards your buttocks as far as you can, then control the movement as you lower the leg back down to the starting position. Repeat this movement, making sure you keep your body relaxed and thighs hips width apart. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Tighten your buttock muscles and lift up into the bridge position. Lift one foot off the floor and then straighten one knee until it is aligned with your other thigh. Maintain this position and move your leg in a figure 8 pattern. Do not drop down from the bridge position, and keep your hips level throughout. Ensure your core muscles perform the movement. Lie on your back with your legs bent and feet on an unstable surface. Your legs should be hips width apart. Cross your arms over your chest, and tighten your buttock muscles, lifting your hips up off the floor. Aim to achieve a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold this position, then lower your hips back down to the floor before you repeat the movement. Kneel on all fours with a resistance band around the heel of one foot and hold onto the other end with one hand. Straighten the leg with the resistance band out behind you, aiming to get your back, hip and leg in a straight line parallel to the ground. Now that your bottom muscles are strong, we will add training of the hamstrings, particularly in a stretching position. This is vital for many sports and physical activities such as running. To increase the challenge, begin to move faster, remembering to keep control of your low back and pelvis. Stand up straight with a resistance band tied around your ankles and under the foot of your unaffected leg. Hold on to a supportive surface for balance. Pull against the resistance of the band, bending your affected knee and bringing your heel towards you buttocks. Control the movement as you slowly lower the leg back down. Ensure you keep your body upright and your knees together throughout the movement. Set up the weights and the leg supports. Starting position is with your legs extended and the supports on your upper thigh and resting on your lower calves. Gently curl your legs in towards your buttocks. Pause briefly at the top of the movement and then release the weight in a slow and controlled manner.